Hi friends, I'm G. Ramya from K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. I am here to deliver a speech about real wealth is never measured in money or possession. It is probably said that money can buy everything in this world. Is it true? Uh, is it true? Of course not. So let me ask one question, that whether money can buy peace, confidence and happiness, etc. It is no. So these are the small things that money cannot buy in our life. So basically success in the world system is measured by how much wealth one has accumulated. The rich people are considered as the most successful. This is the main driving force behind every man's hard work. Hard work is good and highly commended in the Bible, but it should not be used as a means to satisfy one's covetousness. The rich are highly honored in the world. They are given the best seat wherever they go. They are highly esteemed people. They live in the most expensive communities and villages. They drive the most expensive cars. They are dressed with the most expensive wardrobe. They eat the best cuisine. No wonder it become everyone's to dream to become rich. So greediness become the driving force behind hard work. So every people in the world desire the lifestyle of rich. So many people become discontented in their life, dissatisfied with just having the basic things in life. So they pursue for their worldly ambitions and turn away from the ways of food. Never use money to measure wealth. The real measure of your wealth is how much could you be worth if you lost all your money. Everything in this world, all the things it crave, such as wealth, material possession, prestige, money, position, power, etc., are all bound to fade away. The world system is not meant to last forever. There will be an end for everything. The measure of success is not by how many people we know, how wealthy we are, or how many things we possess. It comes from God, and any of it obtained out of His will fail. God gives us great gift. It is time that we acknowledge all of them and His use the according to His will. So it is good to have money and the things that money can buy, but it's good to check up once in a while and make sure you haven't lost the things that money can't buy. But money is for only to satisfy our basic needs, not to determine our wealth. So friends, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Bye.